Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your business card branding in Canva for local printers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and sign in to your account. Create a new design by selecting the business card option from the template menu. Browse through available templates, or start from a blank canvas if you prefer. If using a template, click on one that aligns with your business style. Once loaded, you can customize the text fields to include your name, title, and contact information. To change the font, click on the text you wish to modify and select a new font from the top toolbar. Ensure the font style complements your brand identity. Next, adjust the font size and color right from the same toolbar. For branding consistency, match colors to your business's color palette. To add your logo, click on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar and upload your logo file. Once uploaded, drag your logo onto the design to position it appropriately. Resize the logo as needed by clicking and dragging from the corners. If you'd like to add more design elements, select Elements from the left sidebar. You can search for shapes, lines, or icons relevant to your branding. Customize these elements by adjusting their colors and sizes. Keep in mind the overall balance of your card design while placing these elements. Make sure to leave enough white space for a clean look. Once satisfied with your design, double-check all text for accuracy. After confirming that everything looks good, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the appropriate file type for printing, such as PDF print. Select the Crop Marks and Bleed option to ensure your card is printed correctly by local printers. Click Download and save the file to your computer. Finally, send the downloaded file to your local printer or upload it directly as per their requirements. Your business card is now ready for printing with a restored, professional touch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech